I can turn any unprofitable trader to a profitable trader if you just listen on how to use my simple ICT day trading strategy. Now, with my strategy, I only use bearish and bullish fair value gaps, and I only use liquidity as my targets. And what I mean by that is, as you can see, we are currently just swept sell side liquidity. As well as sweeping this sell side liquidity, we have now made a bearish fair value gap. Unlike most ICT traders, you will never see me shorting from a bearish fair value gap. What I will do is I will wait for this bearish fair value gap to be disrespected. So all that means is we have now had a candle close above a bearish fair value gap. I will enter into a long position. My stop loss will go if we get a candle close back below this now inversion fair value gap, and my take profit will simply be buy side liquidity that is resting in the market. This day trading strategy has over an 80% win rate, and I trade it live every single day in my Discord. If you want to watch me trade live every single day, make sure you join my Discord. The link is in my bio. Liquidity and fair value gaps is all I use to trade, and I have a 100% win rate in over a week of trading. Now, I trade fair value gaps differently than most ICT traders will trade fair value gaps. As you know, when you see a bearish fair value gap in the market, most ICT traders are only taught to take short positions from them. But what I actually do is I wait for a candle close above a bearish fair value gap. What this tells me is that we then should at least come up and take some sort of buy side liquidity, or at least tap into a bearish fair value gap that is unmitigated. So I will enter on the candle close above the bearish fair value gap. My stop loss is simply if we get a candle close back below this now inversion fair value gap, and then my take profit is buy side liquidity resting in the market. In this instance, we have clear equal highs right here, also with a bearish fair value gap that has not been tapped into yet above. As you can see, this day trading strategy has over an 80% win rate. I trade it live every single day in my Discord. If you want to join my Discord and watch me trade live every single day, make sure you do. The link is in my bio. You are probably an unprofitable trader in the market, and that is most likely because you are either not trading fair value gaps at all, or you are trading fair value gaps incorrectly. If you simply just stop shorting from bearish fair value gaps and wait for them to be disrespected, you will see a significant increase in the amount of trades that you win. Now, what I mean by that is, as you can see, we are currently respecting from a higher time frame bullish fair value gap. As well as that, we have now created this 1 minute bearish fair value gap. You will never see me shorting from a bearish fair value gap. What we have just done is we have now inversed this bearish fair value gap by having a candle close above it. So what I will do is enter into a long position. My stop loss will go if we get a candle close back below this now inversion fair value gap, and then my take profit is simply buy side liquidity that is resting in the market. This day trading strategy has over an 80% win rate, and I trade it live every single day in my Discord. If you want to learn how to day trade like me and watch me trade live, make sure you join my Discord. The link is in my bio. I finished this week trading with a 100% win rate, and that is simply because I only use fair value gaps and liquidity to find my entries and exits in trades that I take. When I'm looking at price action, unlike most ICT traders, I don't care about market structure shifts or changes of character. As we can see, we have swept sell side liquidity that was resting in the market right here with these equal lows. Now we have created this 1 minute bearish fair value gap. I don't short from bearish fair value gaps, unlike most ICT traders would short from bearish fair value gaps. What I actually do is I wait for a candle close above a bearish fair value gap. This now means that we have disrespected this bearish fair value gap, and we can now expect price action to come up and take some sort of buy side liquidity. So I will enter into a long position. My stop loss will be if we simply get a candle close back below this now inversion fair value gap, and my take profit will be buy side liquidity resting in the market. This model has over an 80% win rate, and I trade it live every single day in my Discord. If you want to watch me trade live and join my trading community, make sure you do. The link is in my bio.